Hello YouTube, I'm David with the David West channel. Let's take a look at the mullen plant. These flower heads are just now starting to flower, and this is up about 6.5 feet, and it is really taken off. And if you saw the video where I tied this support around here, I thought maybe it might be tilted up. There's been no growth from below this support up. All the growth has happened above this piece of paracord, so pretty interesting. I just wanted to tell you that for fire starting, Vaseline cotton balls are great. I will show you a different fiber that works well, and there is a multitude of fats and greases and oils that you can use. Any plant, animal, or petroleum, grease, oil, or fat will work as a fire starter. Let me demonstrate that for you today. We'll saturate a couple cotton balls and stick it right here in our little tray. I'll make a tray out of this. And then I want to take some leaves and put it down in here, pour some of our bacon grease down on top of it, fire it up, and show you that it has plenty of heat, plenty of BTUs to get this wood started. Ferro rod ignite it. Easy enough, isn't it? I was not expecting to have to use my lighter, but if it can sustain itself, so be it. Let's see how long that can burn. Now, let me show you this platform down here that's going to hold the leaves and the bacon grease. I think Dollar General has the best cotton balls. I buy 3 bags at a time. All right, y'all, do me a favor. Before you leave my channel, please subscribe, hit the notification bell, and in that drop-down list, select all. And do give the video a like. I appreciate you joining me on this one. We'll catch you on the next one.